Tastes like home. Hi, this is Adele, and this is my recipe for fruit salad semifreddo. It mostly reminds me of Christmas because every Christmas we would have this dish. It's very easy to prepare, so no problem with all the hustle and bustle of Christmas. You don't want to be fiddling around with dessert. It's just there and ready when you need it. In the Philippines, traditionally we use canned fruit cocktail because the fruits that we like to use is not in the Philippines. Then we add some fresh mangoes or grapes or pineapple. First step is we pour the cream in. It was my dad who used to make this in the Philippines when I was growing up. And we usually have this on celebrations, birthdays, Christmas. I make this for my kids, and you know what? Even my son who doesn't like dessert loves it. If you're using canned fruits, make sure you're draining it. We just fold it through easy. Which blends in the fruit with the cream and the condensed milk. And we're ready to pop it into the mold. We'll just make sure that it's nice and level. And then what we do is we tap the mold against the bench a couple of times to release any air pockets. Because the mold is jiggly like that, it's not very firm, I need a plate to hold it so that when we put it in the freezer, it stays nice and upright. You can also use a loaf pan, but you have to line it with baking paper. So now this goes into the freezer and will stay there for about 6 hours, preferably overnight, so that it's nice and firm. Easy, right? We just peel it off, put it there, and slowly peel it off. Hopefully it comes good. And voila, we've got our lovely dessert in here. All it needs is a sprinkle of some toasted coconuts, which we'll just put on the top. And we just have some sliced mangoes in here, and I'll just try and put them on the top just for a bit of garnish. There, you stay put. Oh, this reminds me of my summers in the Philippines when it's so stinking hot, and then we've got mangoes and you've got frozen fruit salad. Brings back lovely memories. Look how amazing it looks. Now it's time to taste it. We'll get some more of that mango on top. Oops, I guess not. This is Philippine summer as I remember it. We've got pineapples, we've got mango. It's nice and creamy and so right for Australian summer. So right for Christmas.